Top 10 Causes of Car Accidents.
Every year auto accidents results in hundreds of thousands of injuries and nearly 35,000 deaths in the United States. In fact, traffic collisions are the leading cause of preventable deaths in this country.
Thus it is important to have an understanding as to the leading factors contributing to car accidents. A list of the leading causes of traffic accidents is provided here.
Speeding while driving and reckless driving. Failing to follow the speed limit is the most common cause of traffic accidents in the United States.
Use of mobile phone texting while driving. The proliferation of mobile phone use has resulted in an increased level of danger on our roads. In response, national and state legislatures have passed strict anti-texting laws, while the judicial system has begun to charge individuals whose texting while driving resulted in deaths with manslaughter.
Other forms of distracted driving. There are numerous types of distracted driving. Some of the most common types of distractions resulting in high incidences of traffic accidents include eating, smoking, listening to loud music or changing the dial, reaching for objects in the vehicle, and looking or talking with other passengers in the vehicle.
Driver fatigue, falling asleep in the wheel. According to recently published data, driver fatigue is the cause of 2.53% of all roadway-related fatalities in the United States. Individuals that have a history of falling asleep at the wheel may be prosecuted for a criminal offense.
Drunk driving while under the influence of a narcotic substance. According to studies, driving while under the influence of alcohol results in a 900% increase in the probability of an auto accident.
Rubbernecking. Rubbernecking is another type of distracted driving and takes place when drivers look other things on the road not linked to their driving. Examples include watching other accidents, looking at sunsets, and nice views.
Defective automobile and automobile parts. Common auto defects that can cause severe injuries to occupants include tire defects. Defective design of sport and utility vehicles resulted in vehicles being more prone to rollovers, seatbelt defects, and defective airbags.
Defects on roadway construction. The improper design of roadways result in hundreds of auto accident fatalities each year. Liable parties can include Caltrans and construction contractors for improper installation of traffic lights and roadway signals.
Poor weather conditions. Example of weather condition posing the greatest dangers to motorists on the road includes icy roads, high winds, and rain after prolonged drought resulting in oily surfaces.
Improper coning off of construction zones. Road work is needed to maintain and build the country's transportation infrastructure. However, in many cases road construction crews fail to safely cordon off construction zones, resulting in an increased probability of auto accidents. Thank you for watching this video. Please do subscribe and stay with us. Bye bye. Have a great day.